Welcome to Schweizerdeutsch Tutor, Schweizerdeutsch für Anfänger. Today, we are going to talk about typical Swiss greetings. The Swiss are very polite. Therefore, we differentiate between formal and informal greetings. Formal greetings we use with strangers, especially elderly, and in professional environments. The informal greetings we use with our friends and family. The most typical formal Swiss greeting is Grüezi or Grüezi wohl. It originates from the High German Grüß Sie, greet you. Wohl means well. If you want to greet multiple people, we use the form Grüezi miteinander or Grüezi zusammen. Miteinander and zusammen mean together. Depending on the time of day, you as well could use Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. In the last form, Guten Abend, many Swiss use an additional N to avoid a hiatus. A hiatus or a hiat is when the final vowel of one word meets the initial vowel of the next word. Like here the E of Gute and the A of Abend. This usually causes an interruption in the flow of speech. For that reason, we place this connecting N at the end of the first word and consequently can pronounce both words together without a pause. Guten Abend. In our teaching material, the connecting N is always indicated in cursive. Alternatively, the connecting N can be omitted and a short pause can be inserted instead. Guten Abend. The most common informal greetings are Hoi and Salut. The latter comes from the French salut. There are quite a few Swiss German words that are derived from the French language. The closer you get to the French-speaking part of Switzerland, the more evident this influence on Swiss dialects becomes. Let's summarize. To greet strangers we use Grüezi or Grüezi wohl. For multiple people, Grüezi miteinander or Grüezi zusammen. Depending on the time of day, we as well could use Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend. To greet friends and family we use Salut or Hoi. These are the most common Swiss greetings. Of course, there are many other local variations. Do you know another one? Then let us know in the comments. All comments have the chance to win 30 minutes of personalized tutoring on Schweizerdeutsch-tutor.com. The winners will be announced at the end of each month. Next week, we are going to talk about typical Swiss farewells, so stay tuned. Merci vielmals, macht's gut und bis zum nächsten Mal mit Schweizerdeutsch Tutor.